Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have like this one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 5x to the power of 4, number 4 and number 5 we have 20. So number 60, we can put number 3 with number 20 in here. So this one we change for u. This one with the s we change for the u. So the integration of cosine u, that is about sine u. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.